Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is your boy Minedollars and I'm back with yet another video. So in today's video we are going to review another website, and the Minedollars.com is a very popular website. uh, I just reviewed hashless.com, a cloud mining website, and this is another cloud mining website. So I was pretty surprised to find out when I opened the Google, and the first thing that Minedollars review, and you see the Minedollars is a great platform for someone who wants to store their crypto. And yeah, this is the first review that I get. But believe me or not, I I searched through a ton of websites, thousands of websites, to find the reviews. First of all, I go to Trustpilot, and they have a rating of about 1.8, which is very bad, as you can see. And let me tell you something. I did my proper research on that. This one and the hashless.com that I reviewed earlier are just the filter copies of each other. They're both scam. They want the same thing, the tax of $2,000 for no reason at all. Even if you are a UK resident or anywhere, they will ask you to pay your tax of $2,000, even that you didn't pay. I mean, why would I pay my taxes to minedollar.com or hashless.com? This is complete bullshit. So these one I totally scoured all over the internet to see, and as you can see, this website scamdetector.com, people are commenting down that it's a scam website, that they're wasting their time to comment it. Right? I mean, there are a ton of people who are doing that. And then if you go to the trustpilot.com, which is one of the trusted website, so yeah, it's a complete scam, so please don't waste your money in it. And I'm trying to find a website that is a cloud mining website that is usable, that is not a scam, and I still don't have any luck with that. I don't know if there's a website of cloud mining which is not a scam. So hopefully I'll save you guys some money if you were trying to invest in minedollar.com. If I did, just give it a thumbs up, give and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay safe from the scam. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.